I become a person, but my happiness will still be my own.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. I'm getting ready to go for my OBGYN appointment, and I just realized that I needed to vlog. Okay, just wearing my watch, getting ready. My appointment is at 4 and my time is 3:15, so I need to get ready right now. So I already put on my clothes. I'm only going with this two-piece, and then this is my sweater. It's not that cold outside. I have my lip gloss. I'm gonna add more. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. It's my appointment today, and I'm so happy to do this appointment because I want to go for a checkup. The hospital is like 20 to 30 minutes away from me, and I'm going to take the bus. Let me grab my Vaseline. I'm not taking Uber because it's not that important anyways. So I'm just gonna take the bus, but first I'm gonna go to my dad's place to get his Metro card. I'm gonna use his Metro card to take the bus. I don't have Metro card right now. Yeah, let me spray some perfume. So I'm gonna spray this my Tommy Hilfiger perfume. My husband bought this. He loves perfume. He's a perfume person, so he bought this one. I'm just gonna spray a little bit on myself, on my jacket, and that's it. I'm gonna go to my dad's place now so I can take because the bus I'm gonna take is in front of my dad's house. So I'm gonna walk there, take his Metro card, and then just take the bus. Okay, so I'm ready to go. You guys can see my outfit. Yeah, let me see if I can show you guys my outfit. Let me see. Yeah, and I have the sneakers on. Okay. I'm ready to go. And I'm the only person in the house. My husband is not in the house. He started working. So yeah, he works now. He doesn't stay in the house anymore. Just me alone. Yeah. You guys want me to do a sit down video? Put it down in the comment section, okay? And also a reminder, guys, I changed my YouTube name. You're gonna see the changes before this video, so I'm just gonna update you guys here, and I'm gonna put in the community. I decided to change my YouTube name because it's like right now I do lifestyle, I do beauty, and then I vlog. Yeah, vlogs, and then I do my nails. But I feel like I do more of the vlogs than my nails because the people usually do their nails before my cousin, apart from my little sister, and she's working and also going to school, and she will
Become a person, but my happiness will still be my own.
So yeah, I try to. There's not a lot of people to do nails, and I don't know how to do I do my nails by myself, but I don't like to do it on camera. So yeah, that's I'm a little bit I'm trying to introduce vlog to the channel instead of me to just let my channel goes like that. I just put vlog here and there. Please support me. I changed my new YouTube name to LaureenStyle. Usually used to be nails by Laureen, based on I don't put a lot of nails anymore. I'm still gonna put 1 or 2 nails sometimes, but no, it's not gonna be as before. So I decided to change it to LaureenStyle. LaureenStyle is still like putting my style out there, putting what I know how to do best out there, because if I still have my nails, if they come for holiday, I'll still put nails 1 or 2 times. But this channel is gonna basically based on lifestyle and vlogs. Okay, so let me go. My time is 3:20. Let me go. I'll talk to you guys when I'm at the hospital or something, or in the bus. So yeah, I'll catch you up with you guys later. How do I look? Beautiful, right? Rate me. Rate this fine girl. Rate this fine girl. I'll see you guys later. Okay. Mwah. So guys, I took the metro card already, and now my bus is coming in 4 minutes. I need to run to the bus stop. This is the metro card. This is what we call metro card. People that lives in New York, I don't know about other places, but in New York, this is the metro card we use. So yeah, my mom and dad is the only person at home, so I'm just gonna go take the bus right now. Look at the skin, it's glowing. So let me go take the bus. My bus is coming in 4 minutes, okay? Hope you guys can hear me. Let me see. My bus is coming. Guys, I'm here. I have more people waiting for the bus. You can see the bus is coming soon, so I can literally see the bus. But I think that's the stop before my stop. So it's coming and I'll catch the bus. It's so nice outside today. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for summer. I prefer summer. No, not summer. I prefer like spring over. I prefer fall over spring, then spring over summer, and then summer over winter. Okay. Well, I think we're about to get to spring. Yeah. So I'm just gonna wait here, and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay.
Now me where they clean on the house. Now me where they wash on the car. Now me where they cook on the pie.
Now me where they wash on the clothes. Now me where they work for your shop. Now me where they work on I become a person of my happiness. Still be my own.
Guys, I'm here, but I'm already late. Like this, 4:03. So I'm just walking to the department now. Just walking there. Hope you guys can hear me. I already have my mask. I'm late. Sorry. Okay, 1A2. I'm going to 1A2, and I'm right here.
You don't want to go okay.
They checked me in already. I'm just sitting here waiting for my name to be called. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Yeah, there's a little bit of complication, like the lady wasn't getting my appointment, but finally, thank God, she got it. So I'm just keeping my stuff, and then I'll wait for them to call me. Laureen? Okay. So I just finished, and I'm going to pick up my prescription, the prescribed medication for me. So I'm gonna go pick it up now. So yeah, it was just like 15 minutes visit. It wasn't that much. It wasn't that of a big deal. Just for my regular checkup, okay? Almost. The line is very long. So I have to stand here. Oh my goodness. The line is very long. Dancing. pick up my prescription already. Just got off the bus. I'm walking down to my house. The appointment was not a long one. It was like a 10 to 15 minutes appointment, but the pharmacy was the worst. It took them forever to give me my medication. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Pepper soup is on the fire. Hey, it a pepper. Look at it. I will mail you some, okay? So yeah, I'm done washing it. It was a little bit of work, so I have to just do it off camera, okay? This is not just all. This half of it, and I have the other ones stuck in the fridge. So yeah, I'm gonna cook that one another day, and this one is for today. This is Nigerian St. Louis, but it's dried. Not dried like fresh, and then we put it in the freezer, and it became this black, but it's still so effective, okay? So this is what we have. This is all I can cook for today. I'll go get yam, so that's what we're going to use to eat it. You can see this is the next day. Good morning. How are you guys doing? I just woke up. I decided to pick up my camera. I'm hearing this boo-boo from Burlington. My husband bought it for me. It's $10. So how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. I started this vlog already. I'm just greeting you guys. So my hair, you can see the cornrow is so messed up. Can you guys see? Sitting down and taking it out myself is a lot of, I feel like it's gonna be a lot of work for me, because I don't like taking out hair. I don't like loosening hair. It's not my thing. So I'm planning to go to my mom's place so she can assist me in loosening it. And I want to go to salon. I don't even know. I need to cook this morning. I'm trying to cook coconut rice, so that when my husband comes back from work, he can eat something. That's what I'm gonna try and do this morning. I don't think I have too many work to do. I don't know if I should change my bed sheet. It's dirty. It's not like dirty, but it's white, so I kind of feel like, oh, let me change it so that it doesn't get too dirty, and then when I use the washing machine, it doesn't clean. I don't want that, okay? Close this my rough hair. I'm beginning to get tired of it. Move on with my day. I have a lot to do today. A video is coming up today. I'm gonna try to start uploading video twice a week. You guys know I work. Yeah, I'm gonna try to start uploading videos twice a week. That's what I do. I usually do that before. Then I wasn't working, but now that I'm working, it's kind of hard. But trust me, I'm not gonna give up, because I love doing this. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm planning to drink coffee this morning, but another mind is saying, Lauren, leave coffee for goodness sake. Leave coffee for goodness sake. Stop drinking coffee. I drink coffee a lot. I love drinking coffee. Let me just figure out what to do here.
I become a person, but my happiness will still be my own. Now me where they clean on the house, now me where they wash on the car, now me where they cook on the car.
Now me where they wash my clothes, now me where they work for your shop, now me where they.
I went back to sleep immediately I finished making the bed. I was so sleepy. My sister just woke me up to come and eat. So I'm about to get dressed, brush my mouth, and then I'll go meet her and eat. Back to my parents' house. I decided not to take off my hair anymore because the salon is closed. So I didn't want to take it off, and then there's nobody to wash the hair for me, and and tomorrow is Sunday, so with this I can just wear my wig and just go on with my day. So that's why I didn't take off the cornrows. Okay, so I just want to cook. I'll talk to you guys later. Fried rice is ready. This is my own. I'm gonna go eat soon, very soon. Yeah, this is what I'm eating, but I need to clean this place. So I'll talk to you guys later. Let me go eat. If not, I'm gonna end the vlog here.